2024 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Got factory converter up there, secondary converter there. Then we took off the mid muffler and put a Flow FX in its place. Give it a nice deep tone instead of the resonator. Then 2-inch pipe. Then we made a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see, to run duals out the back, all the way from North Carolina. We appreciate them coming down, bro. We really do. And then we put quad tips out the back, some Natami quad tips, as you guys can see there and there. There's the custom Y pipe we did. Just came out really clean, really nice. Exhaust Addicts team always does it perfect. And these on the 4-cylinder SEs, they have a cover right there that goes on this side. You just take off the cover, a couple of bolts, and then you can run duals because it's the same platform as the TRD. So when you do that, then you can run like a TRD look, that's what we were trying to accomplish on this one. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And this is the resonator that was on it, and that's the single muffler that was on it that we took off. If you like us and like our videos, make sure you subscribe. All right, guys, 2023 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter, naturally aspirated. Nice, good looking car. I like the wheels on it. I don't know, they keep catching my eye. What do you guys think of the setup? I like it. Even Tim looked at it. You know what that means? It caught his eye too. Anyways, converters up there, secondary converters here. Then we took the resonator out and installed a Magnaflow Magnapack in its place. Part number 10415, right there. Then the piping continues 2 1/4 out the back. And then usually these come with a single exit, but they have the opening for the second that they have blocked off. I'll show you guys the plastic piece in a minute. So we're like, that's not cool. It needs to have the dual look. So we did a custom Y pipe on it, as you guys can see right there. Custom T pipe, we call it. Came out nice and clean. Sorry for the construction, guys. It never ends. They poured concrete and then they went back in and demolished it again. I thought they were done. But there's the Y pipe there into quad tips on each side. Came out really clean, really nice. So it's got Magnapack mids and rear deletes with quad tip. Came out clean and nice and beautiful. This is the plastic piece I was telling you guys about that they install on the other side. So you just unbolt it, then you can do a dual system on it instead of single. There's the muffler, there's the resonator that we cut off also. And there's all that construction for no reason. I don't know why they started pumping. I don't know what they're pumping, but yeah, there it is. If you guys don't know now, you know. That's about it. Nice idle to it, as you guys can see. Yeah, it's clean. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. At 105. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. This is our phone number if you guys ever want to give us a call. This is the Daytona edition. Toyota Camry. A lot of carbon fiber accents. It's clean, man. It came out nice. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? All right, guys, 2023 Toyota Camry with Magnapack and rear delete. That's deep. Give it gas. That's clean. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Can you guys pronounce this town for me? Me and him, we were talking about that earlier. Again. That's clean. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the comments. Again, guys, sorry for the construction, but they're hammering away, running pipe and all that. They're almost done. Look, everything is built and done, but somehow they're hammering again. I don't get it. guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. This is our beautiful shop. Good looking car. I love the color. Slow car club. Gosh. So, another happy customer going back to North Carolina. From any state you guys want, come on down and see us. We'll get you hooked up. Sounds clean with the flow effects. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the comments. Flowmaster Flow Effects Duals. You can still hear it.
All the way down there.
Toyota Camry with a Magnapack mid and rear delete. Paddle shifted it too, which is perfect. It sounds phenomenal, guys. You can still hear it. That's awesome. Rev it. We just did a muffler delete on this Lexus. Go. What do you guys think? Muffler delete on Lexus IS 350. Here we go, F Sport. Nice. I like it.